Today I'm going to clean my bathroom and put up this new shower curtain that was sent to me from In-House. Y'all, I'm excited about this. I know this is going to set off the bathroom. I like to swap out my shower curtains from time to time, and I want to thank them for sending this one over. And I am going to show it to y'all. Let me put it up and I will put y'all on to this new shower curtain that I got. Oh yeah, so I was super excited to get this shower curtain right here. And let me tell you something, I'm totally obsessed. As I said, I love to swap out my old shower curtains from time to time. And this In-House long, no hook shower curtain with snap-in fabric liner is the business. Girl, I think it really changed the vibe of my bathroom. We're talking hotel spa vibes in my home. And y'all know I'm all about making life easier, prettier, and more functional. Let's start with the setup, because this is where the magic happens. This curtain has built-in split rings angled at 45 degrees, so you can hang it up in like 15 seconds. No hooks, no tools, no wrestling with the curtain rod. Just snap it up and boom, you're done. That alone made me fall in love. But wait, it gets better. The liner snaps in and out, which is a total game changer for cleaning. I don't have to take the whole curtain down anymore. I just pop out the liner and throw it in the wash. Quick, simple, fresh. And the fabric is this beautiful waffle weave. And it's not just for looks. It's this nice, thick, wrinkle-resistant fabric and hangs beautifully with a weighted hem and built-in magnets, so it stays in place. No more clingy curtain moments, and it dries fast too, so it doesn't stay damp all day. And if you're like me, you're going to love this mesh top window. Oh yeah, it lets light in, keeps the air circulating, and still gives you full privacy. It makes the whole bathroom feel more open and spa-like. It's the little things, right? This curtain is waterproof, stain resistant, and oil repellent, which means it stays looking clean and new longer. It's ideal for busy folks, moms, renters, or anyone who wants a no-fuss elevated bathroom solution. Hey, if you're ready to ditch the ugly plastic curtain and stop dealing with chunky hooks, this is the one to grab. It's functional, it looks, and it truly makes your bathroom feel like a retreat. Y'all, get away from those hooks. Come on over to In-House.